There it goes. Okay. I thought something was wrong with Google today. Oh, oh, that coffee burnt my tongue. Whew. Okay. Do this. Um, you got a few more minutes. Make sure you log into your Scratch account too, everybody. Um, if you do want to get started on the actual assignment, you can take the link from the the Etsy portal. I'm just waiting for this computer to scroll. Looks like it's frozen. Oh, there it goes. They fixed it. All right. Cool. Now come over here. Get attendance ready. Where's my attendance at? Minimize this. Resize it. Did y'all enjoy our weekends at least? So did you rest? Your microphone's working? Jalen? Gabe?
Yeah, it's working.
Okay. And Gabe, is your stuff working, dude? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just making sure it works. We better do our norms. Can't really do the norms if y'all can't speak. Let's see here. Got 3 more minutes. Let's go ahead and jump into today's assignment. There we go. Okay, set up. Where are you at? Stucky and Mayweather. Here we go. Okay. It didn't save. Come on now. Oh, it did. Okay, there it goes. Next is this. Robotics. This computer science. I know I'm presenting. All right, there we go. Scroll up. Hello, McFly. And today's word of the day is, I think, esoteric. Is that it? Yeah. Let's see here. Did the objective change? No, they did not. Okay. We still doing block code. As a reminder, you all might want to start getting ready to utilize your kits. We're going to be doing that next week. This, first couple of weeks was just to get you used to the assignments and how to submit them, get you in the habit of doing the work, right? But we're going to move towards the kits. What is this? Oh, USPS. We're going to move towards the use of the kits because there's a MIT Scratch on board. So, I mean, you don't really need internet access to do the assignments. You still are able to migrate the assignments over to your online account, but I want to start getting your kits ready for use. That's all I'm saying. Let me grab this. And I think, oh goodness, I don't have my kit turned on. Ugh. It's 9:05, so we about to do our norms. Up here, these are old. I gotta take those out. Okay. Okay, now turn this on. Does this work? Hello. There we go. Move this out your way. Okay, so First will be Gabe. Can you read the 5 basic norms, sir? Gabe, you there? He was. Mm, might have stepped away. Okay, how about Mr. Stuckey? Can you read the 5 basic norms? We'll come back to Gabe.
No one has right another person. Occasionally cause mistake when they behave in a way that discredit ourselves, our school, and family. Understand our common self through those acts of integrity. We take pride in our common self.
Thank you, sir. Gabe, did you return, man? You there? Gabriel, are you there? Okay. Stucky, can you handle the other ones?
We respect the terms of others. We respect the terms of others. We respect the cultural classroom. We attend and participate. We have auditions, ourselves, our prisoner teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary endeavors.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Web browser. So my web browser. Okay, I was trying to get this thing to log in so I can see both screens. But let's go through the basics, right? So GGI is today. It's every day, right? Of the week, the weekdays. And it's at 11:15 to about, I want to say 11:45. You want to log in, make sure you're there and participate, because I do pay attention to who's there, and I try to give you 5 to 10 points towards your overall score. Um, so try to attend. If you need the link, I'm gonna post it again, but it's been posted several times in ESVI already. I'll post it again in ESVI, and you'll be able to get in there at 11:15. All right, so try to go. They have a lot of opportunities and different resources for you all. This was last Friday. It was pretty cool. This is an old flyer. I gotta take that out. I think this is about done. Okay, Gabriel, are you there, man? What happened to you?
Yes,
Okay, you disappeared. What happened, dude?
it was loud.
Okay, can you read the screen?
Every Wednesday and Thursday, learn the code from the convenience of your home and get extra credit for some of your classes. Pandemic effect on the coding job market. Why learn the code? The surprisingly broad benefits of coding. Interested? Join by clicking the link at 4. That's cool.
Thank you, sir. All right, so let me come over here and my mouse go. Oop, it jumped. Okay. Gabe, can you read that there? It says daily tasks and stuff.
Daily tasks. Students will be able to complete the evaluation in SB. Hello, all STEM inspiring. Hello, all aspiring STEM. Welcome to class. Inside SB can access all pre-recorded videos of each class. These videos are normally ready to review by 4 days.
Thank you. Okay, now let's go to computer science. All right, Jalen, you're up.
Strong computer science. MIT Scratch and Microsoft Make code projects are required daily. Most projects are possible to complete on cell phone, however, functionality will be limited. An actual personal computer is required to take full advantage of the course. Computer science is a graduation requirement for the state of Illinois via the Board of Education. For questions or concerns, email me at
Stop there.
at lotforkid.org.
Didn't know how to say my email address, bro. All right, hold on. You don't have to hook yet. I'm trying to get the rest of your points because I gave speak. Go ahead, take care of that for us. You got it?
For me,
Oh, okay. Well, go ahead. You see the screen?
animate computer science code blocks with 2 algorithms for a variety of operator category conditional statements. Classroom term of the day animation. Classroom word of the day is esoteric.
Esoteric. Okay. All right. So again, those 2 terms, and we're gonna revisit the objective 3 more times throughout class. Those 2 terms by themselves get you 25 points if you have it displayed in your programming. somewhere, like how the definitions are, right? So you'll have the word, for instance, animation, and then a definition of such. And then you'll have esoteric, and then a definition of such, but displayed in your code somewhere. So let's go into what I'm talking about. Exit this here. All right. So you all should be in ESB right now, so you can at least follow what I'm doing. Let's come over here to the chat feature. Okay, where are we at? So much to do, such little time. Grab this part. And Jalen, is your mic working? Are you able to read?
Yeah.
All right. Do you see what's in the chat there?
Um, Hello and good day to all future computer sciences. You will need to create a sketch account and utilize the tool to create this project effectively. The link is to begin creating your project for today is Ammunition his Dragon Boat Festival teacher sample agreement. Use this code to recreate to remake your own sprites and backdrop for the entire program. All 7 of the code need to be ready by tomorrow morning class. Please keep in mind that you must choose your own sprites and backdrops for this project and all future projects. Stay safe as well as warm out the engine.
Thank you. All right. So I want you to like now, Gabe and Jalen, I want you to click on the links, open them up. I put them in the chat, so you should be able to. They look like they're blue, and you're ready to click on them, and they should work. So remember, you got to be logged in. I keep stressing this to many students. If you're doing it correctly, don't take offense. But again, if you do not log into your Scratch profile, excuse me, if you do not log into your Scratch profile, what's going to happen is you're not going to be able to save your work, and you're going to be frustrated. Because say, for instance, you're working on something, you're not logged in, and I don't know, your power went out, or you hit the refresh button, and your work goes away. So log in, because it goes to your My Stuff section of your Scratch profile, and you can always go back and utilize it, or just work on it from your phone or whatever. I don't recommend using the phone, but I know sometimes we're driving or traveling. So resize your screens. You just double click in that gray area I showed everybody. And we're going to leave this screen open as our workspace. So this is where we're going to be working at to make it work. And oh Lord, the phone is already starting to blow up this morning. The next link you want to click on is the example code, right? Now I do it this way because some students told me it's better for them to see the links the way they come in the chat. So you can switch the screens up if you want to, but just make sure you're able to visibly see both screens. Okay. So come here. I'm just going to resize this so that I can see the example code. And this is what you'll use to rebuild what's happening in the animation here. Okay. So let's come over here, and we're going to see what it does, right? So if I hit the green flag, you can click the flag here or there. It should start everybody off at the beginning. There it is. And then it says, we are the Dragon Boat Racing Team. This is a tradition in China, right? And then what else does he say? He's supposed to say something else. But now it's celebrated around the world. I was thinking about this one because we just celebrated the Lunar Year for Chinese people. That's when the New Year starts for them. So that's why I was like, it should be cool. But it tells you to click on the boat to the instructions. It says press down, right? All right. And all you need to do is, again, right. Well, that's a sound bite they added. But all you need to do again is incorporate your own sprites, your own backdrops, and try to make it animate. Okay. It doesn't have to. Now, if you're clever enough, you can. This is for extra credit. You can, in fact, download the scripts and change it so that you have at least the different color, and you'll be able to use it. Because pretty soon I'm going to teach you guys how to remix the codes. But I can't do that until you make sure, one, your Scratch profile is set up, and then two, you know how to basically download sprites and put them somewhere. Okay, so let's start with opening up our other canvas. It's best to do this on a computer. Hello, Mr. Johnson. You got to turn your camera on, dude. Let me mark
I'm
you.
on the phone. I don't have my computer
Where's your computer at?
at home.
So you're not at home? Okay. Well, you're gonna have to try your best to do the assignment on your phone though. Let's see here. Where's Johnson's name at? There he is. Okay, did the screen freeze? No, it didn't. Okay. That's just my camera feed. That's what froze. I'm waiting for it to mark Robert present. Oh, I didn't say Keith Miles was here. What the heck is he doing? He's acting up. Right, start the class. He was not here. It's supposed to say Robert's name. Okay, there it is. I'm like, what is up with you today? Okay. Okay. Now, back to this. So we're going to come out of this here, right? And if you notice, it says see inside right here. So click see inside. I was waiting for it to change screens, everybody. There it is. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to match up the codes, right? Now, remember what first told you to do when you're doing this. One is after you've logged into your Scratch account, right? I keep saying like a broken record. Please log into it. First, you want to remove this kitten sprite, or this is a cat or something. It's a default sprite, so you can't start with that one. So remove him. And then after that, scroll up a little bit. I'm going to find, the first sprite that I was going to use. And if you notice, it's a red boat. It's a blue one. But you can't really see the code yet. So let me scroll it over here so you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to start here. And let's scroll over a little bit so you can see what I'm working on. Okay, so you got all this stuff you need to code in that very first sprite. And then there's comments. I'm even telling you where you can put your words and word of the day and your classroom term of the day in some of these notes. Oh, there's Kenyatta. Let me go back and do attendance again. Hello, Miss White. We had just gotten started. Do you know how to find the link, Kenyatta and Esby, or no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is what we have to do, right? All you gotta do is, reprogram all these aspects and use your own sprites. Now, later on in the week, I'm gonna show you how to come back to this project, and we're gonna see how to actually download those sprites and put them in our own way into our project. Meaning you can recolor the boats and you can, but right now, just work on choosing some sprites and making the codes work first. We can talk about how to switch other characters in afterwards. I want to make sure everybody got this coding down to where they understand how to block snap together. A lot of people are getting good at it, but take your time. If you get stuck, use the code, right? So this is the first example. And if I go boat to boat, if you don't know what I'm doing, you can click on the link. I should put the link in the chat again, just in case people don't have it. We have some phone people. 1 second. So here it goes. Okay. All right. And plug that right there for you all that might have just got here. That's the link with the example code in case you're wondering what to do. Now we're going to do share outs. So, everybody's got to try to do some part of the coding, log into your Scratch. And then when we do share outs, you're going to have to share your screen so I can see how much you've gotten done. Don't use this time to, dilly-dally or play around. Use this time to actually get some of the coding done. Because I think what happens, a lot of people wait till the last minute. And then now it's like almost 8 o'clock and you're trying to get it done. And it's a problem, right? So, stay on top of your work. Again, there are comments in here of things I would like for you to do. And once you give it a try, you ask me questions during the timer. But like, for instance, this block here, if you don't know where this block comes from, go to extensions. And I think it was the music block, or no, it's text to speech, I think. Right, so you can type something in and it'll actually speak it. But you got to first turn it on so you can use it. Okay, so that's the only thing. These green blocks, I don't want it to just say it. I want it to say it. So here's an example. I'm going to do this right before your eyes. So I'm trying to pull these blocks apart right now. What happened there? Okay, there it goes. And check this again. Oh, he left. Oh Lord. Okay. Anyway, once you activate this extension, go to add extensions, text to speech. This section of codes, text to speech, will show up. And then what happens is it allows you to actually save things. Not say as in display, as like it prints out on a screen, but actually in your own word, well, their own words. So for instance, we're dragging the boat racing. We are the dragon boat racing, right? So I'm going to take what they have in here. Let me move this comment up some. And I'm trying to copy this over to this block here. So hold on. Now, let's see what happens when I snap all these back in place. Now, I just incorporated that one block. For extra credit, I want people to have your project speak, right? Not just display words. So now let's see what it does when we do that, right? Maximize it. I don't know if y'all can hear this.
We are dragging boat racing.
There we go. It worked. So I want you to try to incorporate more speech into your projects. Again, you go to, like I said, you add extensions and you click on text to speech to have this section of blocks, available for you to use. All right. Let me come back. So that's the notes. You should see this up. Let me hit save now. You should see this update on your end as far as what the block looks like, but you got to use that with your block. So what do I mean by that? Go back to your project, use this code as your example, right? Let me move this over some. What's right here? There we go. And what's the first block we need? Well, let's start with the first sprite. First block we need is this yellow block, right? Or I keep saying it's yellow, orange. That's orange, gold. Here we go. So the gold one is for events. And you're just matching up the blocks that were given in the example code. That's why you gotta have it side by side. And that's why I always tell y'all, make sure you're on a computer because it's hard to do on the phone or something like that. So I'm gonna grab this first block, place it here. Next is what? Let's look at our example. Looks like it's this blue block here. And the blue corresponds to motion, right? So how are we gonna make it move? Oh, I forgot one thing. The sprite. I gotta choose a sprite first, right? Because we deleted the sprite. How many sprites do we need though? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need 4 sprites, everybody. Okay, so. Oh, hey, no, I didn't say minimize. Come here. I keep doing that. Okay, we're back. All right, that's what I was looking for it to open up. So you know how to choose sprites by now. I hope everybody does. You click on which sprites you want. I think I did the bear before, but you always want to find someone that's doing an animation, right? So use a faithful bat. And the first block was what? It was this one, right? And then it was motion. Where we go? Motion of what? It's a go to X, right? We'll grab this, place that there. And now I'm going to change the values to what is given in the example code. So make sure you match it up so you're not like, it's not starting the way it started like yours, Tyler. That's because you probably didn't put the code in right. So the first one is -22, right? You can't see what I'm doing. You have to open it up on your end so you can follow along. It's 123 for the Y value. And then it says, hey, you need this block here, which is a looks, right? Category. Yep. And switch costume 2. Let's find that. Switch costume. That's backdrop. Here it is. Now, so far, you see I've matched up my codes. Before I get too far, don't forget, you need to at least put the name of your project here. All right. And don't forget to click on the orange share button. We keep talking about this every day. If you don't click on that button and you send me the copy link, what's going to happen is I won't be able to see it. I've been saying this over and over and over since last week when the quarter began. So make sure you do that. All right. So let's review the objective one more time. I'll set a timer. And we're going to do share outs. What time is this? 9:25. At most, I can give you guys 15 minutes to work on it. 'cause, I want you to get a lot done. Start by choosing which 4 sprites you're going to use, and then your backdrop. You have a question, Jalen? I saw your hand go up. Your real hand, not your virtual hand, or you just typing or something. I don't know. Okay, I guess not. Let's see who I'm gonna get to read this in the list. I think Miss White, you haven't read yet. You just got here a moment ago. Can you see what's on the screen here?
Today's objective. Students will be able to animate computer science code blocks to algorithms for a variety of
Operator.
operator category of conditional statements. Class term of the day, animation. Word of the day is esco- es-
SO.
eso-
Tarek.
esoteric.
There you go. She got her points. Okay, so I'm gonna start the clock. Don't forget to incorporate those 2 words she read with the definition in there. Now it'd be really cool if you can make it say those words. Like I showed you that text to speech block, that green block. If you just want to use, you'll get points if you just have it say it, like as far as display it, which is what we've been doing. But for extra credit, can you make it say those definitions at the end of your project? So make sure you show those things at the end. But majority of your project, I wanted to speak. All right. So take a moment. Let me set this clock. Let me find what did I open up a stopwatch? Yikes! I did not. I'm trying to do this. hmm I know. I know. So stopwatch. Yeah, let her in. Why? It says she's trying to get in, but it won't let her in. I don't get it. She hasn't been in a long time. Okay, let her in. Google acting up on me. All right, stopwatch. Okay. Oh boy. Here we go. Hello, Miss Carter. Welcome to class. Is your camera working there or no? Let's say 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'll do this. No, that's not what I wanted you to do. Miss Carter, does your microphone and camera work? Hello? Hmm. Follow up. There you go. Okay, there we go with that. And that's how much time y'all got. I'm gonna go back to big screen so you all can see that. If you want to incorporate those terms in there, and I'm about to see if I can get in touch with Carter. She's here, but she's not here. I don't even know where my student sheet is. Okay. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. Let me turn this on. Okay. Gabe, you there? Wait, somebody is gone.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, where? Oh, Stucky left. Oh no. Miss Carter. Oh Lord, she's just been here. She's not responding. I was gonna have Rush follow up, but let me just make a note. Um, let's see here. Kenyatta's there. Wait for this timer to stop. Okay. Let's see here. Gabe, can you read what's on the screen there?
Animate computer science code blocks to algorithms.
Students will be able to, Gabe.
Students will be able to animate computer science code blocks to algorithms for a variety of operator category conditional statements. Classroom term of the day animation. Word of the day is esoteric.
Thank you, sir. One moment. Switch screens. Where we go? Where'd my mouse go? There it is. Okay. Let's see here. I got the share feature on. Yeah. Okay. So everybody should be able to share. Who would like to go first? Is between you and Miss White. I think Miss Carter is. She's turned it on and left. All right. Go ahead, Gabe. You should be. Let me stop sharing just in case that blocks you or something. Did you raise your hand for it, Gabe, to share or? Okay, you got the floor. That's what you're gonna do. All right, now I gotta remove Carter and just follow up with her. That's all I can do. Okay. You got you got it mostly done, dude. So how much coding did you get done? You got the first one there. You getting the hang of it. Now, okay. I don't think your codes are matching up like mine's. Like what do you have there? That first one. Uh, Right. So wait. What code are you using, man? Go to the first right. It doesn't look like mine's, dude. Like, where's mine's at? Okay. Oh, you're in the second loop. Okay. Okay. What about the first one though? That first boat, the blue one? No. That's yours. I'm talking about the blue boat. So come down to the sprites and no, don't move your code. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now you didn't incorporate no say blocks yet. Okay. All right. You're doing good. Try to keep it going. Go back to the other your code one more time. I just want to take a look at something. Yeah. Okay. And what about the last two sprites? You get anything done there with the two people? Did you put any codes in there for them? Oh, okay. You just clicked on it. Your screen just changed. Okay. Keep working on it, man. Don't forget to put the exit slip in there, right? The word of the day and stuff. You can stop sharing. Kenyatta, you ready to show me what you got so far? Think I can see her. I see a ceiling. Oh, you're sharing. Okay. Um, yeah, that's what I was trying. Way to go, Kenyatta. Yeah, you got most of it like set up to just say hello. You gonna change that? I think it says hello in all of them, right? It's hard to see that.
I'm gonna change it.
Oh, you
Um,
just set it up. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, okay, all right. So you did good. You can stop sharing, dear. What was I about to say? We did the objective. How to share it. Let me share my screen. How to well, you all should know how to do this. You basically gonna take the link from the project and put it in SB so I can look at it. All right. Um, hmm. Okay, I'm trying to hit share and it's acting up. There we go. Uh, oh, there's Jalen. I was like, where did he go? What happened, man? You had an internet issue or something?
Yeah,
This
I didn't even notice it.
you said you what?
I didn't even notice it.
You didn't even notice you was gone?
No.
Dang. Did you get anything done though? Like your project?
Yeah.
Can you share? Oh, let me stop sharing. I just started sharing. Okay, let me see what you got, dude. I know sometimes when I'm sharing I don't know, it just overrides what you guys can do. So let's see how much you got done. Okay. Wait. Okay, that's yours. Oh,
Yeah, this one.
okay. So that's yours. So you got two sprites so far. You know you got to do two more, right? But okay. So how much code did you get? That's just the only code you got done. What about the second sprite? Did you get anything done with that, or you just chose it?
No, not yet. I'm
Okay.
doing this one now.
All right. So you're trying to finish them up one at a time.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Cool, man. You can stop sharing. Don't forget to incorporate the exit slip in there. That was our word of the day and term of the day definitions. Somewhere in your code where it displays it or says it. You can use the text to speech blocks, or you could use the say blocks. Okay.
Uh,
Um, it is 9:49. Most of you will be able to leave in 5 minutes without your attendance being affected. Gotta fill out some information and stuff. So yeah, use this time to finish up that, and in 5 minutes you'll be able to go. Try to turn it in before 8. Everybody, like a lot of y'all got a lot done, so try to turn it in. That's what I was going to talk about. How to turn stuff in, right? My coffee probably cold. Oh, gotta make some more. Yeah, I know, Google. I know. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure you name your project the same thing. Click on share, that orange button there. And then once you do that, you'll have a copy link button. Let me close this. You have a copy link button that'll appear down here. You see up here, if you're not sure if you shared your project or not, you don't see nothing. That's the thing. You got to share your screen, Mike. I keep forgetting other people. I was looking at Jalen stuff. That's what it was. Wait for it to show up. So I want to make sure you know how to turn it in. There it goes. It's coming up slowly. It's coming up. Okay. So I think y'all can see what I'm doing, right? So you want to click on the orange button for share, whether it's in your code page or it's on this, right? So keep that in mind. Once you do that, hit share. And it should change to green. There it goes. And you notice once I did that, the copy link feature popped up. So again, you won't really get that type of access to make sure you can publish to the world your project unless you share it out, and you got to be logged in first to do it. Okay, so once I do that, I hit copy link. Another menu should pop up here, and there it is. And basically, this is like, hey, you want to embed. Now, I want to talk about this. Some students are sending me embedded links, and I'm like, that's not what I asked you for. Embedded links are for when you're putting stuff into a website. See, the goal is to have enough of your projects completed, so at the end of the quarter, you can actually display to your parents and staff what you've done, right? And that means these projects. If we can get to the end, we're going to do something called a Bitmoji Classroom. Jalen, did we do that last quarter? I don't know. I think you did. You had to do that with
Yeah,
us.
we did.
Gabe, you did it too? Okay. Okay. Jalen, what about you? So if y'all got those, y'all might want to start digging them up, find them, because you can use them again, and they're going to be based on the projects you're doing here. All right. That's what I'm saying. Save all your links or make sure to share it. Okay. So do not highlight this. Everybody's doing that wrong. That is not the link you need. I need you to take this link, and it's easy. You could either copy it by highlighting the link inside, or just hit copy link, the button right here. It says copy. That means it's being put on the clipboard, kind of like my clipboard here, right? And it's waiting for you to go to where you want to take it off the clipboard and put it at. That's copy paste basically. So it's copy. We'll come over here. You're going to come to your assignment. And I told you all how to do this. Basically, if you're in this, you have to basically make sure, for one, you find where the link is. And you can find that actually either by scrolling up and down on this Facebook version of your classroom view, or you could just pretty much, and you guys, let's use an example. So if I clicked on Gabe, where's Gabe's name at? I can go to all his classes and see how he's doing. And I keep talking about this over and over with students, right? So, we have data talks usually on asynchronous days for you guys to get out of here. But Gabe's doing pretty well, and you'll know because he has a little S there. If it changes to green, that means he's doing a little better. And if it changes to blue for excellent, that means, you pretty much got an A. So if I click on, and remember I said you have this in all your classes. If I click on the My Works box, I think you all see this once you log in to ESB first, I think. And you can see a graph that tells you exactly how you stand in the class. Also, you click on assessments and you see everything he's done, everything, anything coming up, and how he scored, right? So all you need to do, like I said, is just use your My Work section. A lot of students are like, I don't know what to do when they come to class because you didn't using their My Work section. The other thing is the library. If you want to improve on any of these scores, you all have what is called a library inside of ESB where I put the videos, okay? GGI, because there's 1 minute left and let y'all get straight. I'm a firm believer you need more than 10 minutes to get ready for your next class. That's all they give y'all. So I try to give you 5 extra minutes. So you stand up, stretch, like I do. I do one of these. And then I at least get the blood circulating. So you're free to leave. I think I covered everything. The library section, use it if you want to get caught up on work. That's what I'm saying. And don't forget about the exit slip. A lot of y'all are missing out on simple points. And go to GGI. That's like simple points there too. Okay. Is there any questions for me in particular? Like Jalen's already doing what I say is stretching. Okay. I gotta see you next period, I think, Jalen. So you really need to get up and walk around, the blood going, and come back and sit down for another hour with me. I am not trying to torture the poor man. But I gotta see you next period. Kenyatta, Gabe, y'all got questions? No. Y'all just quiet, huh? Okay, he left.
Have a nice day, Mr. Tyler.
You too, Miss White. Jalen, I see you in the next room, dude. Start shutting this room down. Don't be late, Jalen. You be like, oh yeah, I lost track of time. Don't do that to me. All right, so here we go. Oh, okay. Hey, Rush. Oh, dang, you at the school? Okay.
Hey, what's up, Tyler?
Not much, Doc.